This is a review of the Waterpik flosser. I use it for flossing, and I actually use it to clean out my ears also. What's cool about it is you can turn down the volume on it. This, by the way, is an older one. I've had this thing for many years, so it's really held up well. But you can turn down the volume and then gently wash out your ears. I tend to build up a lot of earwax, so I find this is a really cool product for doing that. And as things drip in my sink, I can see the earwax falling out, so I think it's a great application. I do have these other picks. I must admit, I have never used any of these. I find that this default one that came with it has served me just fine. I usually put lukewarm water in it, both for my teeth flossing and my ears. And I like to put a couple of drops of vinegar in there. That's it. So for my teeth, I'm going to turn it to full volume. Turn it on. So I just methodically work through all my teeth, and I make sure that I use the whole bucket of water for every time I use it. Now for doing my ears, I would turn it down to the lowest volume, and I would go there and just hold my head sideways like this and let the water drop out. Obviously have to be careful, don't insert it too far. On the other side, and I can actually see little particles there that came out of my ear, so I know I'm getting it clean. So that's it. That's the Waterpik. I've used this one for many years. It's definitely in my house.